My name is Cecilia Kenny. I'm very involved with Disability Network, with different things that I've done, mainly through Disability Wales and Canine Partners, because it's assistance dogs, and I would say my own direct payment scheme in the Wrexham area. I was one of the founder members who helped set up direct payments in Wrexham. I set it up with another gentleman in the same area because originally we had local authority support for care, and in my case and his case, and we wanted something that was a little bit more flexible and worked around things like, in my case, my family and my children, because I had a very small son at the time, and I found dealing with an agency was not really flexible enough for what we needed, and we had so many different people coming in and out. We found it upset the family dynamic. So I heard that it was a possibility that direct payments was coming to Wrexham, and I went to a public meeting in our local, I think it was the local guild hall that we went to. I met another gentleman who I've met briefly at other venues I've been to, because I've been involved with some of the disability stuff previously. I found out he was campaigning for the right for us to have direct payments at this public meeting, and it all started from there.